Welcome to Season 2 of MEGJC 360. This season, we will learn more about the work of the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. Join us as we unveil the efforts of the Land Administration and Management Section, the Economic Policy and Investments Branch, the Rent Assessment Board, the Works Policy Research and Monitoring Branch, and the Squatter Management Unit as they try to improve the lives of all Jamaicans. Get ready to witness the relentless pursuit of these branches within the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. Season 2 starts now.
I'm Sharice James, Acting Director for the Squatter Management Unit. So the Squatter Management Unit is responsible for coordinating government response as it relates to squatting island-wide, and we seek to promote planned and sustainable use of our land resources. So our initiatives are developed considering goal number 4 of Vision 2030, which states that Jamaica has a healthy environment, and also the outcome number 15, which states sustainable urban and rural development. Considering this, the Squatter Management Unit has conducted several studies island-wide to using geospatial technologies for effective analysis so that we're able to make recommendations based on the social, economic, and environmental impact of squatting. Also, we seek to ensure social inclusion for all living in squatter settlements, and we also seek to promote safer, planned settlements. We also liaise with our stakeholders or coordinate with our stakeholders to ensure the prevention of rapid growth within our squatter settlements. So in addition to supporting a healthy environment for Jamaica, we also establish a squatter regime of stakeholders tasked to curtail the negative impacts of squatting island-wide. We are also the ones through which the landowners can report where squatting is taking place, and we'll make recommendations. In addition to that, since 2019, we have hired over 300 youths and trained them in geospatial technologies to collect data. So for the last 3 years, we have developed a policy, and that policy is now in the draft phase, about to be submitted to Cabinet for approval for green paper. We have also surveyed all squatter settlements in 12 parishes, and with that, we were able to develop a GIS portal for squatting, and with this portal, we have recommendations for each squatter settlement. And we also have a geodatabase that contains data as it relates to infrastructure, the environment, and recommendations on a case-by-case basis. So right now we can say confidently that the Squatter Management Unit is like the central repository for squatting island-wide. Well, what we can say is that Jamaica can look forward to more consultations as it relates to the policy, and the public and relevant stakeholders coming together to curtail the issue of squatting, to stem the negative impacts, etc., and to ensure more participatory approach as it relates to regularization and social inclusion for the vulnerable. The government of Jamaica, through the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, is working to curtail the issue of squatting island-wide.
Creation of new housing schemes certainly impacts the construction industry, creating jobs during the construction phase. It also contributes to the vibrancy of the real estate.